Good morning. On the occasion of New Year, Chakshu House has taken the initiative to wish a happy and prosperous New Year. May this year bring happiness and good health to all. Thought by Palak of class 3rd A.
Good morning everyone. My name is Palak Verma from class 3rd A, Rainbow English School. Today's thought is every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile and start again. Thank you.
Vanya Jain of class 2nd is going to present a poem in front of you.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम वान्या जैन है और मैं दूसरी कक्षा की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका नाम है नए साल की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। नए वर्ष में नई पहल हो, कठिन जिंदगी और सरल हो, अनसुलझी जो रही पहेली अब शायद उसका भी हल हो। जो चलता है वक्त देखकर आगे जाके वही सफल हो। नए वर्ष का उगता सूरज सबके लिए सुनहरा पल हो। समय हमारा साथ सदा दे, कुछ ऐसी आगे हलचल हो। सुख के चौक पूरे हर द्वारे, सुख में आंगन का हर पल हो। धन्यवाद।
Now, Harshif 10th A will present the highlights of 2020.
Journal present here. My name is Harsh Kumar Singh. I'm a student of class 10th A and today I'm going to deliver some of the highlights in the year 2020. 2020 was heavily defined by the COVID-19 pandemic, which has led to global social economic disruption, mass cancellations and postponements of events, worldwide lockdown and the largest economic recession since the Great Depression of 1930s. World called it the worst in the terms of climate change, in part due to the major climate disasters worldwide, including major bushfires in Australia and the western United States, as well as extreme tropical cyclone activity affecting larger parts of North America. A United Nations Progress Report published in December 2020 indicated that none of the international sustainable development goals of the year 2020 was achieved. 2020 was declared the International Year of Plant Health by the United Nations and Year of the Nurse and Midwife by the World Health Organization. Now, some of the major events that took place in the year 2020, in the month of January 1st, the Australian bushfire of 2019 or Black Summer that have killed as many as 500 million animals so far continues into the new year as the Royal Australian Navy RAN and the Royal Australian Air Force, that is RAF, are deployed to New South Wales to assist mass evacuation efforts. January 30th, COVID-19 pandemic, the World Health Organization declares the outbreak of the disease as a public health emergency of international concern, the sixth time that this measure has been invoked since 2009. January 30th, the COVID-19 pandemic was confirmed to have spread in India on 30th January 2020 from China. First case of COVID-19 was spotted in Kerala in India. In the month of February 11, COVID-19 pandemic, the World Health Organization named the disease COVID-19. February 23rd, riots are reported in the parts of Delhi, India, leading to 53 deaths and over 200 injuries. Over 2,000 people are arrested as a result. February 24 to 25, US President Donald Trump visited India for a 2-day state visit, addressed Namaste Trump in India. In the month of March 8th, COVID-19 pandemic, Italy places 16 million people in quarantine, more than a quarter of its population, in a bid to stop the spread of COVID-19. A day later, the quarantine is expanded to cover the entire country. March 24th, India goes into a lockdown to contain COVID-19. The total number of people in the world facing some form of pandemic-related movement restrictions now exceeds 2.6 billion, a third of the global population. March 26th, global COVID-19 cases reached 5 lakh with nearly 23,000 deaths. In the month of April 7, COVID-19 pandemic, Japan declares a state of emergency in response to COVID-19 and finalizes a stimulus package worth 108 trillion yen, US dollar 990 billion, equal to 20% of the country's GDP. April 14th, the International Monetary Fund IMF says it expects the world economy to shrink 3%, the worst contraction since the Great Depression of the 1930s. April 14th, US President Donald Trump announced that the US will suspend funding towards the World Health Organization pending an investigation of its handling of the COVID-19 pandemic and in relations with China. April 30th, NASA officially selects SpaceX, Blue Origin and Dynetics to build its next generation lunar lander to carry American astronauts to moon by 2024. In the month of May 6, astronomers announced the discovery of the first black hole located in the star system visible to the naked eyes. May 21st, Cyclone Amphan makes landfall in the eastern India and Bangladesh, killing over 100 people and forcing the evacuation of more than 4 million others. It causes over $13 billion in damage, making it the costliest cyclone ever recorded in the North Indian Ocean, shattering the record previously held by Nages. May 26th, Costa Rica becomes the first Central American country to legalize same-sex marriage. May 30th, the first crewed flight of the SpaceX Dragon 2, initially scheduled on May 27th but delayed due to the weather, is launched from Cape Canaveral, Florida, the first manned spacecraft to take off from the US soil since the retirement of the space shuttle in the year 2011. In the month of June 3rd, Russian President Vladimir Putin declares a state of emergency after 20,000 tons of oil leaked into the Amarnya River near the Siberian city. June 14th, Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput found dead at his Bandra residence in Mumbai. June 15th, at least 20 Indian soldiers and over 14 Chinese forces are killed or injured in skirmishes in the disputed Galvan Valley, the largest excavation along the Sino-Indian border. June 29, Indian government bans 59 Chinese apps including TikTok, UC browser, cam scanner due to the Sino-Indian border tensions. In the month of July 12, China reports 141 dead or missing in floods. Since June, 28,000 homes have been damaged. July 30th, NASA successfully launches its March 2020 rover mission to search for signs of ancient life and collect samples to return for Earth. The mission includes technology demonstrations to prepare for future human missions. In the month of August 1st, the Barak nuclear power plant in the UAE becomes operational following delay. Since 2017, it is the first commercial nuclear power station in the Arab world. August 7. Air India Express's flight 1344 crashes after overrunning the runway at Calicut International Airport in Kerala, India, killing 19 of the total 191 people on board. August 30, the number of confirmed cases of COVID-19 passes 25 million worldwide. August 20th, a major fire broke out in underground hydroelectric power plant in Telangana, killing 9 people. In the month of September 16, Yoshida Suga becomes the new Prime Minister of Japan, replacing Shinzo Abe. In the month of October 5, massive protests break out in Kyrgyzstan following accusations that the October 2020 parliament election was unfair. October 10, Armenia and Azerbaijan agree on a ceasefire in ongoing Nagorno-Karabakh conflict. October 31st, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath announced that a law to curb love ishad would be passed by the government. In the month of November 3rd, 2020 United States presidential election, Joe Biden is elected as the 46th president of the United States after remaining vote counts November 7 come in from key states delayed by an influx of mail-in ballots caused by a pandemic defeating the incumbent President Donald Trump. November 15, NASA and SpaceX launched the SpaceX Crew first mission from Kennedy Space Center Launch Complex 39A to the ISS, the first operational flight of the Crew Dragon capsule. November 17th, the number of confirmed cases of COVID-19 passes 55 million worldwide, with around 1 million cases recorded every 2 days on an average. November 30th, 2020, Indian farmers protest. Over 2 lakh farmers march on Delhi as part of ongoing protest movement. In the month of December 4th, the number of confirmed cases of COVID-19 passes 65 million worldwide, with the global death toll exceeding 1.5 million. December 8th, Nepal and China officially agree on Mount Everest's actual height, which is 8,848.86 meter. December 11th, the European Union agrees to reduce the greenhouse gas emission by 55% over the next decade. Thank you and have a nice day.
Is the tradition most common in the Western Hemisphere but also found in the Eastern Hemisphere, in which a person resolves to continue good practices, change an undesired trait or behavior, accomplish a personal goal or otherwise improve their life at the start of a new year. Some of my friends are going to take resolution for the year 2021.
Hey everyone, I am Litika of 7th C. My resolution for 2021 is that to spend time with your people. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishika and I am from class 8A. My resolution for 2021 is that practice meditation every day to improve mental health.
Hello everyone, I am Argarima from class 11th Arts A. My resolution for the new year 2021 is to have a positive attitude and believe in the ways of God. This is very essential, especially in the current times where mankind is facing the corona pandemic. Also, I resolve to maintain an overall discipline with regards to maintaining a healthy lifestyle, studies, diet, necessary COVID related behavior, etc. I feel this is essential for us to sail through the current times. Thank you.
I, Kushagra Sharma of class 11 Commerce Maths, resolute to avoid social media and practice more meditation.